Hey there, everybody. Welcome to today's video. My name is Marybeth and I want to go ahead and revisit and review with you this amazing affiliate marketing program, my personal favorite when it comes to low ticket opportunities that I have personally been involved with since November of 2021 when M.A.P, also known as My Automatic Pay, first launched. Let us fast forward now to the present day, February 2023. This opportunity is still alive and well, still going strong, and I am absolutely loving it, and great things are still very much happening within the M.A.P, My Automatic Pay community, okay? And again, I love this opportunity. One of the primary reasons is because it is simple, it is affordable, it is duplicatable, and it's an instant pay opportunity that pays you 100% commissions directly to you via your favorite payment processor or favorite processors, okay? And it gives you everything you need in one central location to start seeing results so that you can position yourself for success, both in the short term as well as the long term, okay? 100% commissions, you are able to position yourself to start receiving $247 commissions over and over again through your consistent marketing efforts, okay? This is member to member direct pay, so all of the money you get to keep and it goes directly to you, member to member direct, okay? Again, there are no monthly fees ever. To get started, it is very affordable. It's a one-time $33 admin and a one-time $247 membership. Doing some simple math, folks, okay? Doing some simple math. We simply just take our $247 and we tack on and add $33 admin for $280, folks. You can have your own turnkey business for less than $300. In my opinion, folks, this is truly affordable for everyone, affordable for the masses in 2023, okay? It's very simple. It's very user-friendly. It comes complete with everything you need in your back office, which is easy to navigate, step-by-step video training tutorials to show you exactly what to do and how to get your system set up properly, okay? No special skills, no special experience, background, training, knowledge, or education is required. Everything is there awaiting you, okay? You just have to plug in and follow the simple setup instructions. One level, folks, that's it. Only $247 on every sale that your system generates for you, okay? Within your My Automatic Pay back office, all right? This is all-inclusive, folks. This is exactly what you're going to be getting. Your built-in M.A.P bonuses. Bonus one is a complete sales funnel. Okay, it gives you everything you need. There's a choice of 3 different capture pages and video pages. Very easy to set up. Dynamic system ready to go in a matter of minutes after you get started and join, okay? Bonus number 2, it includes a full autoresponder is included to help you and connect you with your prospects, all right? And you'll discover the inside secrets to building and profiting from your email list. This will build your own email list for you, and it has follow-up emails that go out for you on your behalf. If you choose, you certainly can integrate your own autoresponder and have your own autoresponder follow-up email messages going out for you on your behalf, okay? But the built-in autoresponder helps you to stay in touch with your contacts and build your email list, which is what you want, folks, because the money's in the list. And the more they hear from you, that comes in your follow-up. That comes into play with your follow-up. The more money you will make, folks. We all know the money's in the list. The fortune is in the follow-up. And it's the way the big earners earn, folks, and it's their secret weapon, folks. Your greatest asset will become your email list, okay? Bonus number 3 is the big one, no monthly fees, like I indicated, folks. M.A.P figured out a way for you to bank unlimited payments directly to your favorite account, your favorite payment processor without having any monthly charges. Wasn't easy, but they got it done for you, folks, and that is absolutely amazing, all right? So again, folks, everything is here for you, including all of your marketing resources to help you to generate traffic. Okay, all you have to focus on once your system is set up for you is traffic. And traffic is the lifeblood of all businesses. All you have to do is drive traffic to your capture page consistently for the best results, okay? Everything that you need, folks, here's the big reveal, very exciting. Okay, this simple yet powerful program, which has no monthly fees, it's called M.A.P. You pay one time and that's it, folks. And then you get access to your free members area, which is your back office, your free autoresponder. Okay, if you don't have one, no monthly fees, no monthly system charges. Done for you traffic, a wide variety of different options. Okay, you even get an 800 number that you can use and integrate into your marketing. Unlimited $247 payments. This is going to position you to start earning unlimited $247 payments with your system, okay, directly to your favorite payment account, complete with a robust tracking interface to keep tabs on everything for you, folks. Okay, you'll be able to watch these videos. There's one at the top that you'll be redirected to, okay, after you opt in and watch the first initial sales video with the timer. You'll be taken to this very page here where you'll be able to watch that first video and this one here revealed behind the scenes. Okay, so those two videos do a phenomenal job of all the telling, selling, and explaining for you so that you don't have to. Now you can see real results from real M.A.P members. As a matter of fact, this is mine right here, and this is what I was able to accomplish in the early days when I first got started in just my first couple of months, folks. Okay, over 5 figures the system generated for me in just a matter of a few short months. So the possibilities are here. The potential is here. Of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises. I have to get that disclaimer out there. It's all going to depend on you and what you choose to do with your marketing, how consistent you are, showing up with consistency daily, and getting the word out, sharing this amazing system on a consistent basis with as many people as possible. And we provide you with all the resources, training, and traffic, okay, that you can choose from to be able to advertise your very own M.A.P capture page. And I'll share with you exactly what mine looks like, folks. So it's all about, your consistency, your ability to follow through using the simple instructions to get your system set up, showing up every single day, and just employing a good, solid, strong work ethic for the best results, okay? It's all possible, folks. These are many, many members, just a very small fraction compared to all of the members who have joined M.A.P since November of 2021. So you can see, folks, that the system does work. Okay, these are real people having real results with my Automatic Pay. Okay, here's the products, folks. These are all digital marketing, training, educational, informational products and tools. All right, which compiles the premier cash producing product. Okay, so you're going to basically get the M.A.P digital marketing tools, okay, the traffic generator, the list building solutions where you can create your own job, complete with winning webinars. Going to show you how to add 1,000 subscribers in 30 days to your email list, as well as brain manipulation 101 and direct response marketing secrets, and so much more, folks. Okay, this is all included in your back office. Here's how you get paid. This is the compensation plan. It's a reverse one-up. Very simple, folks. The way it works is highlighted and explained and defined right here. The first sale goes to you, so you break even. Okay, the first 247 goes right to you, so you are now at a break even. You pass up your second sale only. However, everybody that joins you will be passing up their second sale to you. So potentially your first sale goes to you, that's 247. You get everybody's second sale as a pass up. So that is potentially $494 from every person that joins you in my Automatic Pay. Okay, you pass up your second referral only, and that is it. It's a once and done thing when it comes to pass ups. Your third sign up, your third sale and referral to infinity goes directly to you. 247 potentially over and over and over again. So all you pass up, folks, is that second sale, but everybody is going to be passing up their second sale to you. Okay, so this is what your potential is on every person who joins you in M.A.P. Okay, it is a very lucrative plan that assures that you receive passive payments. All right, so you can get paid passively, and that's why it's called M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. All right. This is a one-page presentation, this page that you're on right now. Those two videos are simple, yet they're very powerful and they're very compelling, and they do a great job, folks. They work around the clock, working for you on your behalf, doing exactly what you want and what you need, which is all the telling, all the selling, and all the explaining. That puts you in a position to enroll members for you, earning you $247 over and over. When you're ready to get started, folks, you will simply pay a $33 one-time admin. You'll be redirected to pay $247 to me, and you'll be able to join right here. Join M.A.P here, okay? And you'll fill out a form. Here's an income disclaimer. You definitely want to read this through very carefully, word for word, and just make sure that you understand everything that's highlighted right here, okay? So with that being said, folks, here is a page that you can use within your marketing. It is a link. It's called the traffic link, okay? So I just want to share this with you right here. I'm actually going to play this video for you before I conclude, and then when I come back, I'm going to share with you the page that I've been using to generate great results with my automatic pay, folks, okay? So here is the traffic video. Let me play this for you right now. It's very simple, but it's very exciting. So just sit back, relax, and I'll be right back with you momentarily.
Now that you know about M.A.P, the one thing you're going to need to build your business is traffic. Wait, not that kind of traffic. This kind of traffic. Traffic to your website. You want the kind of traffic that will convert into sales for you. You want your payment section to look just like this one. Payments coming in hour after hour, and even minute after minute. Within M.A.P, we have that type of traffic for you. Our team has discovered multiple ways to get people to look at your M.A.P capture page, and that's exactly what you need to build a huge bank account. Just as a reminder, you get 3 capture pages. You get the unlimited page, which is our original capture page. It's the one that built M.A.P in the early stages and still does very well today. You get the 741 page. This page tells prospects they can discover the #1 system for generating $741 a day by joining M.A.P. Capture page 3 is our video page. We have a powerful 1-minute video that gets over 60% of the people who see it to opt into it. Now, how do you get people to see these capture pages? Well, the options are almost unlimited. Here are just a few that are ready to go from our traffic section. With M.A.P, getting traffic is just a click of a few buttons. Just go to our Get Traffic section. You'll see we have social media, solo ads, postcards. Let's take a look at those. You have the M.A.P sales letter. We also offer mailing labels and even postage. You have a rotator where you can share all the leads with the people who come onto your team. We have drop cards, we have a bridge page. There's even an 800 number you can use to get people to your system. Also, as a reminder, M.A.P is a one-payment system. You won't have any monthly charges, so you can use that money to promote your program. So go ahead, look at the button down below, click that button, let's get you started. And we can't wait to help you build an income with M.A.P. Thanks for watching, and I'll be talking with you soon. Bye for now.
Okay, there you go, folks. Very, very easy. You have a wide variety of different resources that you're going to be able to use to drive traffic to your M.A.P capture page. And what I'm going to do between now and the end of this month, the last day of February, anyone that gets started and is ready to take action as a special fast action bonus from me to you for putting your trust and faith in me as your M.A.P sponsor, I'm going to be purchasing your very first traffic campaign for you to help you and to give you a boost, a very nice little boost and a jump start into your results for your new My Automatic Pay system. So how's that sound, folks? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be driving traffic to your capture page, and I'm going to do that by purchasing your very first traffic campaign. In addition, I'm going to be giving you my campaigns, my email swipes, and all of my traffic resources, my little blueprint with my training to share with you exactly what I've done and the resources that I've used that go all the way back to November of 2021 that has allowed me to consistently earn with my automatic pay. Okay, so you're going to have everything you need to be up and running, and I'm going to help you to jumpstart those initial results. Sound good? So what I want you to do next, folks, is head on over to myautomatic247.com, myautomatic247.com. You can find this link directly below in the description. You may need to type it in, myautomatic247.com. This is where you're going to go to the 741 page, folks. All you have to do is enter your first name, your best email, make sure it's a valid email. Click Get Instant Access. You're going to be redirected to a short video presentation with a timer, and then there'll be a button there that you can click. You'll be redirected to that page that I just came off of and shared with you. The very first one with the 2 videos. As soon as you get ready to get started, folks, you go to the very bottom and you click on the join. You'll pay that $33 admin. You'll be redirected to pay $247. For your convenience, folks, this is a global, worldwide opportunity, and I am able to accept payments on a global scale through my merchant account, so you can pay with a debit or credit card for your convenience. With that being said, folks, if you have any questions, my contact information will also be included, and that is the best way to reach me. Text or call me if you are serious. My personal cell will be included in the description below this video. Head on over now to myautomatic247.com, enter your information, watch the presentation, and let's get you started. Today, folks, I'll be there waiting for you, and I'll get that first campaign ready for you to go, folks. All I'm going to need will be your link to your capture page between now and the end of February. For those who are ready to go, folks, as a special fast action bonus for getting started today. Thank you so much. Text or call me if you have any questions whatsoever, and I look forward to seeing you very soon on the inside of my automatic pay. Thank you so much. We'll talk soon, and bye-bye.